let me first introduce the community roadmap itself. So we have our main roadmap, where we are figuring out the main aspects of our project and where the main focus lies. But we also want to let the community decide what we are doing, and we heard the community already and prepared some milestones in the roadmap that you already asked for. And this is the first milestone in the roadmap. That is the NFT certificate, and that's a big thing for you guys, because you can show off yourselves as a working employee for the Frictionless-Network.
And contributor, which
as a contributor, well, they will act like a contract between the external contributors, you guys, and us as the project, the partner project. And you can these NFT certificates will inherit basic data like your personal data, not that much, but roughly who you are and your contribution levels, which we also explain later in this AMA as well. Your field of work and many more, your links to other contributors and to us. And these NFT certificates get designed already, but we want to step back on that for a little longer, because as you know, we rebranded, and we didn't want to design NFT certificates for social finance, because when we rebrand, it does not make really much sense to change it to social finance. And that's why we are creating them for frictionless instead. And these can be upgraded as well. And if something changes in your relationship to us or to other contributors, or your contribution level rises and stuff like that, these NFT certificates can be upgraded and show off who you are in our network. And how this will be integrated in the final frictionless network itself will be explained later on in this AMA as well. All right. Any questions regarding the NFT certificates? Of course, they will be brilliantly designed. We have some designers on the board already, so they will probably look really awesome, guys, and you can show off to others. And we just posted the old AMA for you guys to check out. So if there are any questions, feel free to hit us up now for the certificates. Or Milan, if you have something to say as well.
The great thing about the NFT for certificates, the thing is, everyone knows that NFT, once it's done, it's on the blockchain, and it's not, and it's immutable. You can't change it. But there might be a possibility where we can call functions in the NFT itself, and like we ping certain functions, and then the numbers or the design can be changed, like the contributors level, something like this. So it will be something really interesting to develop. Quite keen to get at that.
Exactly. So if there are no other questions, I will probably give you 1 or 2 minutes for some questions, and then we will get on with our next step. The team should have certificates as well, I guess. So we can connect to the contributors, and but we will get to one interesting thing regarding these certificates later in the next steps. Okay, I see there are no questions, so I will go on. This is the next step in our community roadmap, and it is visualizing the payout structure for the contributions and the contracts. So at this point where we are now, we are doing everything on Telegram and stuff like that with you people, and there's not really a structure. We have internal structures for requests of contributions and stuff like that, but you can't see it directly and can't access it and see yourself what you can do, what you can earn, and we want to give you the possibility to oh yes, you just posted the headline. Perfect. We just want you to give you the opportunity to view for yourself what you can do, how you can contribute, and what you can earn. And yeah, that's roughly that point. Let me just exactly. Yeah, what we also plan, what we kind of teased in the NFT certificates are the levels and the fixed contracts for contributors. So what you can see in the NFT certificates are the contribution levels. You probably saw some already as a title in Telegram for some people, like contributor level 1 or designer level 1, and this will be structured out and will have a meaning, not like it is now, but you can achieve levels. The more you contribute, the higher your level and stuff like that. And we want to give you the opportunity to see for yourself what are the levels, how far can I get, and what can I earn, what can I contribute. So we want to visualize that for you guys, like a structure. And yeah.
Yep, marketing will go crazy. We've been developing insane stuff behind the scenes, so, and things you wouldn't believe if we would tell you now. So we will get it across very slowly. We will be gentle,
but we will announce everything, so don't worry, you won't miss anything of that. So with the my English, sorry guys. With the visualizing of the structure, we also want to give you the opportunity to reach material you need for contributions and data regarding the frictionless network. And we want to give you a pool where you can access certain informations and data and documents, so you don't need to ask anyone of the team. Of course you can ask the team for help and stuff like that, but you probably want to access informations and data for yourself when you are working for us. And the work for us took a little break because as you know, we rebranded and we didn't have much to offer at this moment, but this will start again in a bigger scale once we are finished with the pre-sale and launched again with the new name Frictionless. So be prepared for that. And for that we want to provide you with material, and we will do so. And this will ultimately lead to the much awaited frictionless network, the network where we connect all of these together, but I will get into that in the next steps. Right, so the implementation of the earnings functionality, we also already teased that. Wait, there's a question. Will there be a list available of tasks to do? Of course, that is one thing we have in mind, because you don't need to ask us all the time, can I work for you? What are you offering on contributions? We will have probably like a board where you can access all the work that needs to be done, and you can pick for yourself which one you want to take. And that will probably be how that will work out. So you can pick your own work. If you say, oh, I'm good at that one, you can pick it for yourself and work on that. Okay, yes, again, the implementation of the earnings functionality, we already teased that. We want to have like a tab on the website where you can log in via your wallet, and you can see how much you earned already through your contributions and through the distribution of the token transaction fee. And we will give you an overview of your earnings with the Frictionless network itself. Yeah, we will probably implement some more functionalities as well, but we will go into that as soon as we are at that milestone. All right, that's for the second milestone. Are there? Oh wait, I should grant some questions before, or did you have you anything in mind regarding that?
No, it's just we have an amazing opportunity at our hand with the contribution platform. So we want to attract skilled individuals that want to help a use case utility project that is actually tackling some of the most annoying problems projects like ours face. And yeah, if you help us, contribute to us, and help us our project, then you will help crypto overall. If all of this is what you're after, of course, which I reckon.
Exactly, and we are offering so much people a chance to do things and earn money for that. Things that don't have any other chance to give out their work and actually get something for that, you know.
Indeed.
So are there any questions regarding the payout structure and contributions? We will give you 1 or 2 minutes until we get to the next milestone.
All right, let's keep going.
All right, let me get up the third milestone, and that is the outsourcing. You probably guessed it. With the task list and the contributions, we want to show you what you can do for us. And the outsourcing is a pretty big thing. We already started that with some people, and these people are actually became team members, some of them, and that is great. And we want to structure that out even more. And yeah, we want you, the community, to get a special place in the Frictionless network, and in that way we can maximize our workflow and get things going, because of course we can tackle many fronts, but we can't do anything alone. And I think one of the best projects is one that connects with its people, and this is one of the best ways to connect with people, giving them work and relations to the project. It is not only a project, a token you have in the wallet, but it is a project you give your heart out to, and get something back for that. Let me get up the next milestone. It is actually the last one. Right, and we already teasered that in our first YouTube channel. This was our first video we ever did for the Frictionless, or social finance I should say, channel. And yeah, all of the things that we are mentioned in the milestones before will ultimately lead to the contribution network. This will be a network that is fully automatically running in the internet, of course, and you can access that with your wallet, and you can get everything from that. You get data, you get infos, you get all the contributors that are out there and related to us. You can see the NFT certificates, you can see your earnings tab, and you can request contributions on that network. And all of this will work automated, and yeah, you can access it all the time whenever you want to. And this will be the ultimate network that we are building, what we are planning for the community. And yeah, I think that's quite a big thing. And of course we will, everything that we explained before will get implemented there, and probably way more features than that. But yeah. Regarding the community roadmap, you guys, the community, as the name says already, you can always talk to us and give us some nice ideas for the community roadmap. All the time, you can tell us whenever you want to, and we can make polls and ask the community if this idea should get implemented and if we should work on that, because as it says, it's a community roadmap and we want to build in the community on that.